Spotify Student Premium is a fantastic deal, but getting it might seem tricky. So don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step so that you can enjoy ad-free music, offline playlists, and more. So first, open up the Spotify app or visit the Spotify website. Look for the Premium section and then click the Student to find all the details about the deal, okay? Second, make sure that you're eligible. Spotify only offers this deal to students at eligible colleges or universities. So if you're a student, you're probably good to go. Third, click on the Get Started button. You're going to be asked to log into your Spotify account or create one if you don't have one yet. Fourth, you're going to need to verify your student status. So Spotify uses a service called SheerID, SheerID, to confirm that you're a student. So just follow the simple steps to verify your status. Lastly, after everything is set up, you're going to be able to enjoy Spotify Premium at a special student price. So now that you're ready to enjoy all the amazing features Spotify has to offer, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for sticking around. Love ya. Ciao.